me in a situation, blowing on my phone, bitch, chill, but I'm money chasing, honestly. I see you in the future, ass getting fatter, and the baby jiggy getting cuter. Cause I'm rock on you. Cause I'm rock on you. Cause I'm rock on you. Got me in a situation, blowing on my phone, bitch, chill, but I'm money chasing, honestly. I see you in the future, ass getting fatter, and the baby jiggy getting cuter. Cause I'm rock on you. Play that shit on TNT.
In real life, kick cash, nigga, you don't know what that feel like. 2 bricks on me, nigga, my left wrist is real ice. Brown skin bitch, she brave face and real nice. Major baller, they say we still in the field, right? I get the bag right, them niggas coming to kill tonight. I can't do no sucker shit, it just won't feel right. Dirty part, double cup, halfway filled with ice. Damn, man, like why they tryna blow my motion? They keep reporting a nigga. Like what the fuck I'm posting? All I do is get on there and pop my shit. I don't be trolling. Niggas know I be on beat everywhere. I don't be low. I pop perks. I glitch, nigga, I don't roll. I told you niggas I want a VVs, but I went gold. Jumped in the game and started a new wave on the go. Coming copper bad, nigga, buzz. I was in the low. I'm like, fuck it. I spent too much cheese on these Cubans. The tech, I keep saying that it's smoke. It ain't my money, then it's nothing. I ain't like a hoe, nigga. I ain't what I fuss. To my page, nigga, I went and bought an A5. I'm smoking high tolerance, pay 80 for a tray 5. Knew I was that nigga ever since I was like, yeah, I fucked my mama up. She heard her baby swing high, nigga.
What's up, everybody? So that's gonna be it for the oil, my diff oil change. Let me show y'all what I'm working with. So on that side, you can see that the plug is back in, it's ready to go. You look on this side, plug back in, ready to go. I kept filling her up until she starts spilling out a little bit. I hope I put enough because my car is not completely level. I won't be able to have it completely level anyways, but it's pretty good. I think it's good on it. They're on it good enough. So that's it. We gonna let her down and yeah, man, let her run a little bit. And that's gonna be it. So we got this full of our fuel. Close it up. Just dispose of this in the proper place, and then that'll be it.